I love this one. It's super, super cute. And it's actually kind of like something that is for the whole block, I think so. Not the whole neighborhood, of course, but kind of like for the whole block. So imagine that kids are coming with their parents or something like that from school, or they're just like walking by or walking their dogs or something like that. And they always have this live countdown. And it actually works. I mean, you input the time, the day, the date, the month, the year, and it works pretty good. Actually, really good, not pretty good. It just works perfectly. And it even has the second. So whenever it turns up at midnight, boom, that's it, it's Christmas. So that is really, really cool. And also remember that comes with the stakes and the ropes in case that you want to use the straps that are here kind of like on the sides. So if it is a little bit flimsy, I have to say it's not flimsy at all. This is actually pretty heavy on the base, so you can see it has some weight on the base. So I don't think it's gonna be too flimsy. It needs to be really, really windy to knock down this big Santa over here. So I like this one. I think it's super cute and also really nice for their kids to have something to expect, like that expectation about Christmas coming with this super cool Christmas countdown. I love it. Thumbs up, recommended. Thanks for watching and see you soon.